If you know me, then you know I'm really good at buying craft supplies. Not so good at using them. For example, here's my dining room table that has been turned into a craft center for years now. We got supplies here, supplies there, current diamond painting project, my craft cart, which holds all my things, and then more. The thing is that I have really good intentions of using these things. So I'm committing to this year to actually using these supplies. So right here, I have organized all of the new supplies that I have onto individual trays. Each one of these trays is an actual video. So I gotta get through all of this. But first, I need to do the haul. So I have a Dollar Tree haul with a lot of the things that I have been gathering together for future crafts to show you. For this haul, I'm going to start off with the stamp sets because I originally showed on my Purple Alphabet YouTube channel, the one with all my kids stuff, my kids activities. I showed a haul of a couple of these and then I went back and found some more and then went back and found some more and it just became a thing. So I ended up with far more than I could probably ever need. What I ended up with is this 12-piece one. This has the birds on it and a couple flowers and leaves. It says beautiful, enjoy life, have a nice day. This one is the love set, perfect for Valentine's with different sentiments and lots of hearts on it. That also has 12. This one has dragonfly, butterflies, and some flowers. It says enjoy the little things and amazing. This is also a 12-piece set. These sets seem to have come out around the same time because they kind of have that same look to them. This one is 18 pieces and it has little chameleons on it. It says color, life, live life in full, you are amazing, and thanks a chameleon. So cute. Now, I probably wouldn't normally get this type of stamp because you're kind of limited onto the different topics you can make these for, right? But I thought since it was $1.25 and these are really cute, that was kind of my favorite one. I got this one with flowers on it and different sentiments. May your day be filled with good things, wishing you well, so thankful, all you do, thinking of you, and a little note with the biggest thanks on it. So kind of generic ones. I got this flower pot one that has different flowers and stems on it so you can build your own flowers. This one I only saw in one store. This is a set of clear stamps and mostly backgrounds and borders. I didn't go over the number in here. So there's 13 in this one, 9 in that one, and then 18 in that chameleon one. And then this one has 9 pieces and it says just a note, happy birthday, I like you, thank you. Time for a happy dance and sending a card instead of a text, which is my absolute favorite. So I hope these work out. My plan is to do a test on all of these stamps to try them out. I don't stamp a lot, so using these stamps at a value from the dollar store is definitely going to be in my favor. I used to make cards a lot before I got married, and so this would be a really fun thing to pick back up. I have to go find all of my old stamp supplies. I mean, we're talking like back in the day of wooden stamps. That's what I used to be in. So this is a new concept for me because I'm used to having those wooden block stamps that take up so much room. So these are the stamps that we'll put in our stamp test. I went ahead and got some of the foam mounting squares and foam mounting dots. If somebody's tried these already, I would love to know your opinion on them. I have a feeling that they like work, but like could be better would be my hunch because that's usually the case with some of this Dollar Tree adhesive stuff. So these are squares and they kind of scored there. So I think they come apart and they're and break apart into 4 smaller squares. And then these, it's hard to tell, but there's kind of big dots. I'd say the size of a nickel, 2, 3, 4, so 16 to a big piece. It says there's 48 dots in here and they're double-sided. And then this one has 60 squares on those. So we're going to give those a shot once again for those card making things that I want to do. I recently got a couple of blanks. I think these are kind of new. I got them because they had the different shades, so the dark and then the light border and then the dark border and the light background. They already have a little hanging thing on there too, which is kind of cool. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Oh, actually, look, it has it on both sides, so you can do vertical or horizontal. That is pretty cool. But I think I'm just going to figure out some signs for these two. I have a package of cups that I've actually had for quite a while because I wanted to personalize these and put my girls' names on them, like a really easy, simple Cricut project. I'm putting some vinyl on the cups because they like to have their own. And so there's 4 in here and they like blue, so I thought I'd do 2 for each of them. Real simple project. I won't do a video on it because I'll probably have their names on it. Dollar Tree is such a great place to get things like this. Picked up a lint roller to pre-delint or to prep all of the projects to get the lint off some projects. I got one of those. Some large glue sticks. I recently got a cordless glue gun, which has been like the most amazing thing ever, and we've used it for several school projects, and so I wanted to get some refills. I know this is probably not the best, most wonderful glue in the world, world, but I just want to have some on hand because whenever a project comes up, I will have glue sticks to go in it. I think these are brand new at Dollar Tree. They are the stamp blocks, and there's two different types. This one's square and it has the grid on it, and this one is without the grid and it has the curved edges, or the grippers, I guess, so you can better grip. These are pretty thin. I know a lot of like the really nice acrylic blocks are probably double this size, but I got them to go ahead and try with all of my stamps to see if I like them, because that's a pretty good price. I do wish that they had these combined, so like the curves and the grid. That would be really nice. Maybe you can kind of glue them together. But that's what I found at Dollar Tree most recently, so I know these are starting to hit the stores like right now. Someone stopped me from buying all the pens. I keep buying the pens. This time it's the metallic ink pens. I have two sets of the different colors here. So this one has the teal and kind of a gunmetal gray, maybe has a tinge of green in it. The ink color down here looks like it's a silver color, so blue and silver. And then this one is gold and a pinkish color. Metallic ink, and they're 0.7 millimeters. And then I got the metallic markers in the gold shades and the silver and the bronze. So these are, I gotta find my glasses so I can see. These are bullet tips, so slightly different. So I got a couple different styles that I'm really curious to try out. I have a couple others, I think some of the flare styles that I have done really well. I did some testing on those on my other channel. I liked them a lot, so that's why I got these, because I really like the colors. Oh, and I found another one. A metallic marker in gold. This is 1.2 point. So this is much smaller than that bullet one. This one is actually acid free. So really good for scrapbooking and long term. So it's fine tip. So it is a little different. So, you know, can't blame me for getting something different, right? I got the piercing and scoring tool set a while ago too. I haven't used it yet. I got this to help punch out things on die cuts or intricate cuts. Also got it to help scoring smaller projects. And it just was kind of a cool thing that there was two in here, a fine and medium point needle. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this guy yet. It's the glitter canvas. I saw these one day and then the next day they were gone. So I know that these are just kind of not a common find. So I don't have an idea for this one yet. I did grab it because I love the sparkle. So if you have an idea for me, please share. I would love to know what you would do with it. This guy I've been holding on to for a while now too. It's the vinyl weeder that has the suction cup bottom. I've been using the nail polish one that goes onto your finger, and I'm not too happy with how the grooves, I guess, where it comes together and you push your vinyl off of. It's been okay, but it hasn't been amazing. So I want to try this one. I'm okay with it being on the table. The one on my finger I can't put on the table. I have to wear it. So maybe I'll use them both. I'm not sure. And then lastly, we have some baker's twine in the pink, green, and purple. I'm going to be using these to make some gift cards, some gift tags to keep for later on this year. It seems like a lot because it is. It's been several months of things gathering, maybe even a year of things gathering. So I'm gonna get through all of these video projects next. So please subscribe so that you don't miss out on those upcoming videos. I am a casual crafter. I am not an expert by any means, so you can learn through the process with me. And if you have any great ideas for some videos with all these supplies you saw, I'm all ears. Let me know about that too. See you guys soon.